I do take some really good protein bars, and usually those are very much focused on my nutritional needs, because let's just not get started into how you go and buy protein bars at the store and there's little to no protein in them, but they're marketed as protein bars, right?
Yeah.
Um, we talked about the jump rope. We talked about the resistant bands. Those are all part of my emergency kit. And I would have always like a straightener or something for hair. I know you don't have that problem, but I have to have that. And I don't
Um,
know if I'm forgetting anything. What about you? What do you put in
well,
your?
so this little power bank I showed, it's an Anchor and it has two USB-Cs so I can
Mm-hmm.
charge my and a USB but I can use it instead of the brick for my laptop. So
Nice.
and the other thing I have is it's not going to work
Can't
because my
see because
background's
of
blurred.
the background. Yeah.
It's a little it's an extension cord, but it's got built-in USBs in it. Oh, there we go. I got
Oh,
it to show up.
yeah.
And it coils and then
How
plugs into
cool.
itself. And it's tiny and it goes right
I
into
like
my
it.
backpack. And
Yep.
those are like my two go-to things. And then I have my miscellaneous cords and
Right.
cables and
Right.
whatnot. But that
Very
power
cool.
bank has been a game changer.